Today we will see the PVC pipe manufacturing process inside the factory. This interesting process starts with raw materials such as resin, stabilizers, colour and other chemicals. Firstly, the materials are fed into the mixer machine, where it is mixed well. Then, according to the type of pipe, the colour is added in the raw materials. Next, the mixture is sieved and sent to the extruder machine, where it is extruded in pipe form. Now the pipe is passed through a vacuum tank to cool it. Next, the shape and size are maintained using a traction machine. After sizing, the company information is printed on it. Once printing is done, it is cut according to the required size. Next, the wall thickness and diameter of the pipe is measured. Afterwards, the pipe end is heated to make a socket for easy joining. Lastly, the strong PVC pipe is ready. Finally, the PVC pipes are loaded onto the truck and dispatched.